Okay.
Hi, thanks for rejoining us today. Today we will be talking to you guys about why you should be doing squats for to help with the low back and for back pain. We've often received this question, people questioning why they should be doing it. You know, because oftentimes when people are doing squats, they are thinking more about how to strengthen their legs, their glutes, and not really knowing what are the effects that squats can have to help with the extensors, which are the low back muscles, to help with back pain, and also to help to stabilize and make your back stronger too. Even if you don't have a low back issue. So I'm going to go through the proper techniques or the proper posture or ways of doing a squat. Now, one of the biggest misconceptions when you're doing squats is that should you or should you not keep your back straight. Okay, there are a lot of trainers out there, a lot of therapists, and a lot different experts out there that would say keep your back straight. Now, most of the studies, of course, have come out and said that you should be arching your back. Coming from a chiropractic standpoint, and also with my background in sports and working out for the past 30 years almost, I've always taught people, and I've always have done it where you have to arch your back. Now, the reason for that is because of the biomechanics of your low back, and also it's just the anatomical curvature of your back, or in this case here, the lumbar spine. Your lumbar spine actually has a natural, what we call lordosis curvature in it. Okay, so, and at the same time, to place the least amount of stress on your spine, you also want to have that arch in your low back. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys from what your low back should be looking like when you're doing squat from the side view. Okay, so the front view is kind of really hard to kind of see. Of course, to visualize your low back from the front is of course impossible. So we're going to of course show you from the side. So the first thing, of course, is you have to always think about the placement on your feet. Okay, so again, with the feet placement, you always want to keep about shoulder width. Now you can have it wider, okay, or closer to, again, those are just some of the preferences that you can go through to try to target more glutes or more quad muscles, so we're not going to be that picky. We just want you guys to keep it shoulder width apart, okay? So besides that, now we're going to go to the side view. Now once you have your feet shoulder width apart, the key